In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Grayscale on Android. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the settings application, which should automatically come default with your Android device. So mine is right over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on it like so. Then all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar like so, and then all you want to do is you want to type in Grayscale like so, and then it should be over here. It should say like color adjustment in the bottom. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on Grayscale like so, and then all you want to do is you want to turn it on like so. Now, in order to actually turn on Grayscale, you will need to turn off Eye Comfort Shield. So make sure to go ahead and keep that in mind. And then there you go, just like that. We have now actually turned on Grayscale on our Android device. And this is super useful, and it's honestly really good for productivity as well, because it makes you less focused on your phone and stuff like that. But at any point in time, you guys can go ahead and turn off Grayscale like so, and then it should be back to normal. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.